Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how I made a pillowcase from my old satin shirt. So first off, I cut off excess fabric to get the outline of my pillowcase, after which I measured the extra length of the pillowcase because my shirt was not long enough. Still working on the outline of my pillowcase on my satin shirt. Next, I got the arms of my shirt, which I'm going to add to make up for the length of my pillowcase. So I'm just shaping that to make a perfect fit for the body of the shirt, which would in turn complete the length of my pillowcase. So here's me trying to get it into a straight fit, and yes, I'm done with that. Now I just placed it on my shirt and place the pillowcase on top, and it's a perfect fit. Please stay tuned to this channel to see the remaining parts of the making of this pillowcase. Thanks for watching.